Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley and I'm back to do another video, and this is going to be a story time video about the time my teacher was racist. So back in grade 5 we had dance class, and our final project was to get into a group and create this choreography to a song. So in that class we had to make like a group of 5. So all of the black kids, like me and the other black kids in the class, we like low-key all wanted to be into a group together because we were all like the same culture. We all had like the same ideas when it came to dance and the genre of dance we wanted to do. So, you know, we kind of all wanted to be in a group together, but of course the teacher was choosing the group, so it was like, meh, there goes that idea. So to our great surprise, our teacher actually put all of us in one group together, all of us black kids in one group together. So we were like so excited. We're like, yes, we're gonna kill this project because we already knew what we wanted to do, and one of our group mates' older siblings actually knew how to make like CDs. You know, burning your own CDs was a thing. So yeah, knew how to make CDs. So they made like this song for us that was like 4 minutes long, and it was like a mashup of like the biggest hits at the time, like Sierra's 1-2 Step and all of those brand new tracks that were really big back in the day. So we were working week after week trying to perfect our choreography. We had some sick dance moves. The guys were doing this, the girls were gonna do this. Like, we were about to kill this performance. So we finally got our whole, you know, choreography down, and we were so excited to show it to everybody. We used to stay in at recess to practice it and perfect all the cool tricks that we were gonna do, because there was this part in the song where the guys were gonna like break dance and me and the other girl were gonna do like the Matrix. You know that thing that Sarah used to do where she used to go all the way back like on her knees? Yeah, we had some really cool dance moves in our choreography. Like, it was gonna be so sick. So our performance day comes, and other groups in the class did their performances. There was a group that was kind of like all of the Indian boys, so they did like a cultural dance, and there was a group that kind of had like mixed cultures in it, so they did like a different type of dance. Like, everybody kind of just did their own sort of thing, but our dance was gonna be like a hip-hop meets dancehall meets reggae type dance. Like, it was gonna be so sick. So we do our whole performance. The whole class is like, whoa, that was so sick. Like, it was so cool. We felt like a little mini dancers. Like, it was so awesome. Like, it was like a really, really good performance. I'm not even trying to boost our group here, but we legit, for people who are in grade 5,
how old are you when you're in grade 5? Like 10? How old are you in your grade?
I don't remember. But anyways, our performance was really, really good. Like, I'm not even lying to you. So, you know, weeks go by and the teacher gives us back our mark, and we failed. We got a D. Excuse? First of all, our group was the only group whose song was a mashup of different songs. So everybody just did it to one plain old song, start to finish. But ours had different genres of dance and different songs to, you know, showcase those different styles of dancing. And she gave us a D. A D. Now, our teacher was non-black. She was also non-Caucasian. Okay, my teacher was of South Asian heritage. And when we thought about it, we're like, how did we fail that performance? Like, what? Now, the group of all the Indian boys, they got an A. So, I mean, maybe I didn't even see it too much because, you know, she's of South Asian heritage, they're of South Asian heritage. They did a cultural dance that is, you know, universal for the both of them, so she must have been really blown away. Okay, so that's fine, give them an A, but give us a D, not even a B, not even a C. She gave us a D. We literally failed that assignment, and we all just decided that, what, like, how did we get a D? Even the other group that did kind of like a generic style dance that didn't really have different intricacies and things like that, they got a better mark than us. They got a B. But no, all the black kids in that class got a D. Our group got a D, and we were like, no, this teacher must be racist, because how are we gonna get a D? Even the other groups in our class were like, how did you guys get a D? I I am till this day trying to figure that out. So what we figured out is that teacher must be racist because first of all, she put all the black kids in one group, which never happens. Like, you know when you low-key want to be in a group with certain people, but you know your teacher's not going to put you in a group with them? This teacher put all of us in one group. So we figured that she put us all in one group so that she could fail all of us. So yes, that is the time my teacher was a racist and we failed our dance project. And yeah, but let me tell you, our dance was sick. Like, it was pretty cool. So yeah, that's my story time video. If you guys enjoy story time videos, then definitely give me a thumbs up and do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I have another upload. Bye guys.